I've accepted that. So I'm asking you one more time to tell me where Polly is. Please.
There's no earthly reason for me to do that.
Okay, then. Here's what's gonna happen next. I'm not gonna kill you because I want you to suffer. So, I'm gonna start carving pieces off of you. First, I'll use a chainsaw on your feet. I'll cut them off at the ankles and then cauterize the wounds. And then I'll cut off your legs at the knees, cauterize those wounds. And then your upper legs at the groin. And then I'll move on to your hands, sever them at the wrists. And by that point, you might die of a heart attack, but I don't know. You seem pretty strong. And I have a couple tricks up my sleeve.
Wait. Okay, wait.
Did your sister have blue eyes and a tattoo of the infinity symbol? And did she ever go by the name Patty instead of Polly?
Yeah. Do you remember her?
Not in the least.
Please.